Hey everybody, it's September 28th, Saturday 2019. I'm looking at the okra, and I finally figured out what varieties I have. One of them is called Emerald and one's called Clemson Spineless, and I believe I figured it out. I believe this is the Emerald. It's very smooth skinned, and this one is the Clemson Spineless. As you can see, it's got more ribs on it. Trying to see if I could see a difference in the leaf. Not really. Possibly this one's a little bit more rounded. This is a little more pointy, although it looks like some caterpillars are starting to eat my okra leaves. So I'm not too happy about that. The other thing is I noticed on the seed packet, didn't look at that when I planted them, that they should be spaced 12 inches apart. As you can see, I don't even think they're more than 2 inches apart in some places, 3 inches apart. But I'm definitely getting some, some fruit on the ones that are right next to each other. So I'm going to experiment. It's first year of growing okra. Maybe we won't get as much as if I space them apart properly. But I did put some in different areas. I had so many that I planted, I didn't realize that they would all germinate. Probably have about 20 plants here, and they're all scattered amongst the corn, which is really interesting. Corn, I started to see a silk in one of these. You can see it in this one. That's the biggest one, but it's hard to see the silk. I'll show you one over here, the smaller one here. Where is it? There it is. So you can see that silk starting in there. So I think what happens with the corn, I've never grown it before, but I've seen it on YouTube, that the actual corn will start growing from one of these armpits, I guess you would call it, and then the silk will be on the top. And what a lot of the farmers do is that they take the silk and they wrap it in a bag to catch all the seeds, and then they pollinate the corn husk. But we're going to see. We'll let nature take its course and see what happens. Anyway, this corn is almost as tall as I am. This is right about my shoulder length now, and I'm about 5'10". So again, corn I planted a little bit too close also. I took a few out that were just kind of small and left the taller ones in. So we'll see how that goes. Again, it's the end of September, so I figured another month we should be harvesting, or 2 to 3 weeks harvesting some okra, and the corn. Don't know how that's going. But anyway, that's it for today. Beautiful autumn day here in New York. Leaves are falling, so I'm gonna get the lawnmower out and mulch them up, throw them in the compost pile, make another heap. Talk to you guys later. Have a great day.